welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm so glad you clicked on my video. And as I'm doing this video, I see my laundry piled up over there. I haven't put it away yet, but I'm a mom and I'm busy and I have to go to work. And I wanted to share with you my scent Flirt from Pink Zebra for the month of June 2023. So we're gonna unbox her. I love fragrances and I know a lot of you guys do too. And they just change my mood and I am all about feeling good nowadays. And if this can help, like I love turning on my candles right before I go to bed at night, especially if I've got like a lavender scent, and it helps me just kind of prepare and wind down. All right, let's get this open. The products differ each month. So they give you like a card and it tells you what's in here and the prices and all that fun stuff. So we're gonna see what we got. Okay. Oh, last month they gave me a warmer and I don't think I did an unboxing with that and I was so excited about it. All right, so we have what looks like an insect spray. Oh, okay, that's good. A body lotion spray, and then is that it? That's everything? All right, so I pay like $34 for this, then it's like $4 for shipping, and then you have your tax. By the end of it, it's like $41, and it does change. Sometimes I end up paying less or more. Okay, so let's start with, ooh, and this is kind of heavy. All right, so their sprinkles are their waxes that go in the warmer. If you're not familiar with Pink Zebra, they are kind of like Scentsy. They are like some of the warmers you can get in like Walmart, and you buy the little wax bars that go in it. It's like that. Oh, this smells pretty good. Orange Blossom Lemongrass Insect Repellent. This is kind of neat. I do have warmers all throughout my house. I have like 9 of them. And by the doors, I will put this in here, and it could prevent the flies from coming in, you know what I mean? So I'm looking forward to using this for sure. Then they have a Paisley's Pick, which is a new scent that comes out every month, and this is a sample size. Oh, let me tell you the price of this. $10. Okay, and the sample size here, Pink Cotton Blossom. Ooh, that smells pretty good too. And this has like a $3 value, $3.40. Speaking of that, there's a fly in my room. Okay, and then it looks like we got same scent, Orange Blossom Lemongrass. This here, Sunny Citrus. It's a natural insect repellent spray. Oh, where's that fly? I mean, I know it's supposed to prevent it, but maybe it'll kill it too. All right, so how do I do this? You gotta, there we go, turn it. Okay. It's not a real pleasant scent, but if it gets the job done, it'll be all right. Let me see. The $15 was the value on that. Then we have Hydrating Body Lotion Spray. Relax Lavender. I was just talking about lavender. So tonight, okay, let's turn this little doohickey. Let's see what it does. Ooh, it does smell good. It's supposed to be like a lotion. That would be kind of neat instead of having to rub it in, but I'm thinking you might have to rub. Oh, okay, yeah. Well, I like that. That's cool. Okay, I'm not really sure what happened there, but my video cut off. So I think I was doing a recap of everything, and then I wanted to know your guys' thoughts. So I got the lotion spray, the insect repellent, the Sprinkles insect repellent. Why is that doing that? That's super weird. Okay, we're gonna get this video done at some point today. So tell me what you guys think of my Scent Flirt subscription for the month of June down in the comments, and let me know what your favorite fragrance is. Has it changed because summer's here? I wanna know all the details. Can't wait to talk to you down in the comments, and I will see you guys real soon in another video. Bye.